Did you know that updating to the latest iOS can significantly improve your device's performance and security? It's true. Keeping your iPhone up to date not only unlocks new features but also helps protect you from potential security threats. So, if you're ready to level up your iPhone game, let's find out how to do it seamlessly. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you'll learn how to update your iPhone to iOS 18.1 with a simple step-by-step guide. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on the latest features and improvements that this update brings. So, grab your iPhone, and let's jump right in. Just go to Settings, tap on General, and select Software Update. If iOS 18.1 is available, you'll see the option right there. Hit that button and watch your iPhone do its thing. Depending on your internet connection and device speed, this might take a few minutes. During the update, your iPhone may restart a couple of times, and that's totally normal. Just sit back, relax, and let it work its magic. Once it's done, you'll be greeted with a shiny new interface and all the improvements that come with the latest iOS. Congratulations! Now that you've successfully updated to iOS 18.1, let's quickly recap the steps we took. We started by checking device compatibility, then backed up your data, ensured you had enough storage, and finally, we navigated through the download and installation process. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other videos for more tech tips and tricks. Your support means the world to me and helps keep this channel alive. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.